Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to show you how to achieve a natural, no makeup look that's perfect for everyday wear. Apply vitamin C serum evenly onto cleansed skin to brighten and even out complexion, gently massaging in circular motions for optimal absorption. Absolutely, applying sunscreen is crucial to protect your skin from UV damage, even when you're aiming for a natural makeup look. Choose a lightweight formula that won't feel heavy on your skin. Gently massage it in using upward strokes to ensure even coverage. Once I complete my step, feel free to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. Apply lip balm generously to moisturize and protect your lips from dryness and chapping. Apply concealer sparingly on blemishes and under eye areas, blending gently with your fingertips or a makeup sponge for a natural finish. Focus on areas needing coverage, ensuring it blends seamlessly with your skin tone for a flawless look. Use an eyebrow pencil to fill in sparse areas and define your brows with short, feathery strokes. Use an eyelash curler to gently clamp lashes at the base and hold for a few seconds to lift and curl lashes for an open-eyed look.
Apply mascara. Coat your lashes with mascara, starting from the roots to the tips, using a zigzag motion to separate and volumize them. Apply concealer on your eyelashes to prime and separate them, then reapply mascara for enhanced volume and definition that lasts all day.
After applying concealer, reapply mascara to add volume and length to your lashes, ensuring a bold and defined look that complements your makeup. Try applying mascara with a slight wiggle at the base. Share your results in the comments below. Apply kajal along your waterline or tight line for a bold and defined eye look that enhances your natural beauty. Apply cream blush using your fingertips, blending gently onto the apples of your cheeks for a natural flush. Keep the application light and soft for a no makeup look. Blend your makeup seamlessly. Take your time to blend evenly. Apply highlighter to the high points of your face, cheekbones, brow bones, and Cupid's bow, for a radiant glow that enhances your overall makeup look beautifully. Define your lips with lip liner for a precise and long-lasting finish. Apply lipstick evenly on your lips for vibrant color, then add a touch of lip gloss to enhance shine and dimension. Apply peach gloss to your lips for a fresh and natural look that enhances your makeup with a subtle hint of color and shine. How does my makeup look? If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beauty tips and tutorials. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments what type of content you'd like to see next. Your feedback helps me create more videos you'll love. See you in the next video. Take care and remember me in your prayers.